In celebration of Easter and the brand new birth of a baby girl, Ewell Acres is going to be giving a free Easter giveaway for spring of 2023. Now, as of today, March 29th, we are going to be holding a spring giveaway that is going to be including 10 lucky winners as well as one lucky grand prize winner. Now, how the giveaway is going to work is after we upload this video, all you got to do is subscribe, click on that bell for notifications, as well as comment below that you would like to be entered to win in this giveaway. Now, we are going to hold this entry open for the next 7 days. Now, on April 7th, we will be making 11 random selections for those winners. These prizes are going to be including honey sticks, honey, naturally scented lip balm, as well as free garden seed. We've been blessed this Easter, not only from our religious aspects, but also from the birth of our brand new baby girl. And we've been truly blessed by that. We would like to pass those blessings on to others through the joy of the produce that we produce, not only from the bees, but also from the garden. And to help with that, that's why we're giving away these prizes. So, by commenting, clicking below, not only can you get these free items, but it also helps to notify you for future videos that we have coming out that are going to be talking about beekeeping, gardening, and the knowledge that we can help each other learn and grow from us being able to grow our own groceries and being more connected with nature. That is our motto with Ewell Acres, rooted in nature. We want to do everything that we can to try and enjoy the bounties that this earth has to offer, and by learning and growing with each other, that will help to further spread that knowledge. So, on April 7th, we are going to be randomly choosing 11 winners, 10 prize winners, and one grand prize winner that's going to be including a package deal of everything all entirely together. So, in part of that, we are absolutely excited for this gorgeous spring day and everything that Easter and that this earth has to offer. So, once again, on April 7th, we're going to be choosing those 11 prize winners along with that grand prize winner package deal with everything there. So, remember to click, subscribe, do that information, and hopefully you can be one of those 11 winners of this giveaway that we're going on. Once again, thank you so much for joining us so that we can all be rooted in nature. We look forward to seeing you next time.